Have you heard of the Elks community in Las Cruces, New Mexico? Well, it is a hidden gem with unique homes and architectural styles. We're going to view this beautiful house here right in back of me. It's actually one of our listings, and it's a beautiful home, completely remodeled all the way down to the studs. These are older homes. This home was built in 1972, but it's completely remodeled, and you won't find many homes that have been completely remodeled in this community. So let's go see it. All right, so as soon as we step into the home, this is a beautiful door. I love this feature. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? I love that. Really nice, strong door. Now remember, this home has been completely remodeled all the way down to the studs. The floor plan, which not many homes have this floor plan, open concept now, like this home does. Why? Because, well, you know, they thought of the future, and this is a unique home that you won't find many out in this. You know, they used to call this the Country Club Estates, right? It used to be a thriving community when it was back in the days, but now it's a gem actually with beautiful brick homes. I love the shutters. All these have the shutters, brand new windows. I mean, what else do you want? Stop here. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. My name is Cesar and my wife is Tania, and we would love to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces. I love that this shower, notice the detail on this shower. Tile all the way to the top. You have two nichos there. This is shared, right? Shared bathroom, and it still has double sinks, which is fantastic. Remember, this home has been completely remodeled, gutted, and remodeled, which is fantastic. Guys, it's like buying a brand new home in an area where there's so much history, which is fantastic. This is a wood burning fireplace. These doors here completely open, so if you like that, if you like to entertain, then you can open these doors up like that, you know, and you can have a nice little breeze coming in if you like from the outside. And we've been having some beautiful weather. It's been raining actually. You've got granite countertops, you have tile, once again the beautiful shutters, and then you have soft closed doors. I love this window. It's called the serving window because you can open this window completely up, and actually the screen, you can open it up as well. And here somebody can stand out there and you can hand people, right? Because there is a pool outside. It's an above ground pool, but they do have a pool. And that's what they call these little serving windows. It's really nice, actually. You can just hand people out so they don't have to come in and out. The cook here just hands the food or whatever, beverages, right? So that's a pretty cool feature. feature that I love about this garage, I'm going to show you. This garage actually has a evaporative cooler. Now the home is on refrigerated air, okay? And just so you know, another fantastic feature is the blown insulation when it was completely remodeled. The reason why I'm saying is if you love to work in the garage, and this is the garage right here, which I'm a guy, right, that loves to work on cars. And this garage actually has a swap cooler, so you can turn it on and stay cool in the summer. Okay guys, I just want to point out some of the features of this home. The floor plan was completely redone to modernize the look, which is fantastic, right? Because it has that open concept. It does have water filter, reverse osmosis for drinking water, which is fantastic. The outside, it is on a sprinkler system, and we're gonna go check that out right now. And it is on a 200 amp panel. All that's been upgraded as well. So here we are outside. I like that it has concrete, and there's a really nice covered area back here, as you can see. And here's the above ground pool. Man, wouldn't you just love to take a dive in there? I know I would. Now, I love that this home has a lot of, compared to the newer homes, they're all like really close to each other, not this home. You have enough firewood as well for the fireplace. So guys, if you guys are thinking to move into Las Cruces, New Mexico, you want this beautiful home, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. Now don't leave, we're gonna drive around in the community so you guys can see the community. Hey, also, if you guys love ice cream, we have Caliches within like a minute drive from here, and you have all the conveniences of food as well. I-70 is like a minute away drive as well, and then you can also jump on I-25. So very convenient location for this house. All right guys, let's go on a drive.